What will we do?
From this very podium,
I ask myself this question.
That Pakistan would act.
And my belief is,
decisively
La ilaha
against any
illallah, there is no
external
God but one.
Those words of
And we
mine
will fight.
are true. I hope.
And when,
But then,
when
in May this year, my country confronted unprovoked aggression from
And
the
when-
front, the enemy,
and when a nuclear armed country fights to the end,
delivering our bloody nose.
it will have consequences far beyond the borders.
India sought to
It will have consequences for the world, which is why I repeat I'm here.
my sincere offer of an
Because I'm
independent
warning you, it's
international
not a threat.
investigation
It's
into
a
the
fear,
Pentagon incident.
worry.
Instead,
Then where are we headed?
it attacked our
And
cities
I've
and
come
targeted
here to
our
tell the
innocent
UN.
civilians. When
You've
our
got to.
territorial
This is a
integrity
test
and
for the
national security were violated,
United
our response
Nations.
was in accordance
You
with
are
the
the
right
one
of
who
self-defense
guaranteed the
under
people of
Article
Kashmir
61
the right of
the United Nations Charter.
self-determination.
Our valiant armed forces under the stellar leadership of Field Marshal
They are
Saeed
suffering
Asif Ali
because of that.
mounted an operation of stunning
And this is the
bravery
time.
and acumen, repulsing
This
the
is
enemy's
the